Hello, good Tuesday evening. I am back with a late night review, and I am here to review Nature's Fury NutriDrink. I got this at Dollar General. It's peach mango flavored, and now let's give it a go. I am going to just shake it well. So. I really hope this doesn't decide to explode everywhere because I did that. I get a good whiff of peach, but to be honest, the peach flavor itself doesn't smell very inviting. It doesn't smell like fresh peaches. It kind of smells like peaches that have sat out for a while and kind of went bad. But I'm going to give this a taste, and I'm going to see if it tastes better than it smells. There's a hint of peach there. It's not nearly as good as other peach drinks I've tried, but it's alright. It's not something I would ever buy again. I'm gonna give this a 6. I think this was the first time that I've given anything a 6, or anything lower or higher, actually, than a 7 since I came back doing this. But this is going to get a 6 out of 10. It really wasn't that good. When I opened it up, I smelled peaches. I just didn't smell appetizing peaches, and believe me, peaches are my favorite fruit. But this has been Nature's Fury NutriDrink. I hope you all have a good Tuesday evening. Be well.